Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter icing. So start by creaming softened butter until smooth, then add powdered sugar slowly while mixing on low. Pour in vanilla and a splash of milk, then increase speed and whip until light and fluffy. Taste and adjust sugar or milk for spreadable or pipeable consistency. Chill briefly if too soft and warm slightly if too stiff before decorating your cake or cupcakes. Beat butter thoroughly to eliminate lumps and incorporate air for a lighter result. Gradually add sifted powdered sugar while mixing on low to avoid a cloud of sugar. Pause to scrape the bowl frequently so all ingredients blend evenly. Add milk in small increments to fine-tune consistency and vanilla for flavor balance. Stop once the icing is glossy, smooth, and hold soft peaks for spreading or piping onto baked goods. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing baking tips and foolproof techniques. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs oddly well with learning to save for quality ingredients and tools. I loved how practical it is, and it made me smarter about baking budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a small amount of extract to avoid masking the butter and sweet flavors. If coloring, use gel colors sparingly to achieve vibrant hues without altering consistency. For flavored twists, fold in finely grated zest or softened cream cheese for tang, adjusting sugar to balance acidity. Always taste as you go and let colored or flavored icing rest briefly so the flavors meld before applying it to your cake or cupcakes for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.